All right, everybody, welcome back. We're powering through. We are now day 2, working through these systems. Yesterday, here's our notes, right? I challenged you yesterday, be a student, right? Work on these things. There's 3 different types of questions. There's the simple total questions. Now, for these questions, they're either going to give us 2 numbers or they're going to give us 4 numbers. If they give us 2 numbers, we're going to have to use our own brain to bring the other 2 numbers. Like, how many legs does a chicken have, right? Or maybe, how much is a nickel worth? Remember, this money question is the big one. Nickels are worth 5.05. They're going to try to kill you every time. There's a sum and difference question. This one is pretty rare. It literally is just going to say sum difference. Not very hard. X plus y, x minus y. Done. And the last one is a 6-number problem where they're literally going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers, and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put them in there. Move it on. Here's the goal. I'm going to go through these questions. I'm not going to spend a long time. I'm going to go through them, talk about them, put them in, solve them. Talk about them, put them in, solve them. Okay? You're going to have to maybe watch something twice, maybe ask a neighbor, like, hey, do you know how he's doing that? You might have to, just follow along and do your best. Remember, if all you're doing is watching a YouTube video and writing down random numbers that you see me write, you will not learn how to do this. You have to actually focus. You have to actually try to do this stuff. But I believe in you. Here we go. The sum of 2 numbers is 24 and their difference is 2. Oh my God, so easy. Sum, difference, we got this. The sum of 2 numbers. All right, we got 2 numbers, right? We just got number 1, we got number 2. They sum to make 24, they difference to make 2. That means we're going to add them up to make 24. We're going to subtract them to make 2. That's it. It is not that hard. We got it literally written on here yesterday. Sum and difference. X plus y, x minus y. Next, right? Desmos. Where are you at, Desmos? Here we go. Desmos. Oh, there it is. We'll start it over. Start fresh. Desmos. We've got x plus y equals 24. Enter. X minus y equals 2. And maybe zoom out. Minus, minus. There it is. Click. 13, 11. Done. 13, 11. The cost of 3 boxes of envelopes and 4 boxes of paper is $13.25. 2 boxes of envelopes and 6 boxes of paper cost $17. That's a lot of numbers. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3. Ah, they tried to be sneaky here. 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Honestly, this might be the easiest type out of all of them, right? We've got envelopes and paper. And so you're just going to go boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first number is 3 envelopes, 4 paper equals $13.25. 2 boxes, 6 envelopes, $17. We're done. Next. Moving on. Desmos time. Click, 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 click. 3x plus 4y equals 13.25. Enter. 2x plus 6y equals 17. And maybe I'm a little too far zoomed out. 1.15, 2.45. Ew, decimals. Remember, money. This is money. It's not decimals, it's money. 115, that's normal. That's money. 245, that's normal. Envelopes. $115. Paper. $245. Next. One night a theater sold 548 movie tickets. There's a number. An adult's ticket cost $6.50 and a child's ticket cost $3.50. In all, $28.81 was taken in. What? How many of each ticket? Okay, so we're working with 4 numbers. And when we're working with 4 numbers, it's going to be one of these simple total, right? That's going to give us a very easy equation for one of them. Okay, this is our adults versus child. We'll say that adults is X, child is Y. We've got equal sign, X, Y, X, Y. And the adults is 650, the child is 350. So let's use these other numbers as our big totals. That's 548, and that's 2881. Now remember, one of these is a simple number. I don't care if we're talking about boys, girls, red, blue, tall, short. I don't care. That's the 548. That's the I don't care number, right? That's just a straight up X plus Y. Done. This 2881 does care. The guy who's selling tickets, he does care. Because adult, which is X, 650. 650. Child, which is Y, 350 plus 350. Type it in. Let's go. We're cruising. We're crushing. We're powering through this stuff. X plus Y equals 548. Enter. 650 X plus 350 Y equals 2881. That's a big number. Minus. Oh, there it is. 321227. How many of each kind of ticket were sold? Okay, I got you. Well, adult was what, 321? And child, goodness, 227? 227. Easy. A group of 40 children attended a baseball game on a field trip. Hot dogs are $2.25 and popcorn was $1.75. The total bill was $83.50. How many hot dogs and popcorns are purchased? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. That's going to be our simple total setup. A group of children attended a baseball game. Hot dogs are $2.25. Popcorn was $1.75. All right. We got hot dog. We got popcorn. Let's set up our little system here. Hot dogs are $2.25. Okay, that's not a total number. Popcorn was $1.75. Okay, that's not a total number. Use the big ones, right? 40, that's a big number. That's a total. 83.50, that's a big one. That's a total. And when you're working with these, when you're getting these, total numbers or whatever, okay, one of them is a simple total. I don't care if we got boys, girls. I don't care if we got tall, short. I don't care who we got. Okay? Which one of these is the simple I don't care? It's the X plus Y. Now, next, 83.50, we do care. We care about the difference. A hot dog X is worth $2.25. $2.25. And the Y popcorn is $1.75. Sweet. Desmos, moving on, right? We got a 4-number question. Easy. Here we go. X plus Y equals 548. Enter. 650. X plus 350. Y equals 2881. Nope. Just typed in the questions from the last question. Going crazy. X plus Y equals, I need to use 40. 225x plus 175y equals 8350. Definitely gonna need to hit the home button. Minus, minus, minus. There it is. 2713. How many hot dogs and bags of popcorn? 27 hot dogs. 13 popcorn. Number 5. Oh, baby. We got dimes and nickels. We are ready to go. Easy peasy. Love this question. Dimes and nickels. All right. We already know how this one goes, right? We already know that we're dealing with dimes and nickels. Make sure you go EL instead of LE. Dimes and nickels. We've got 3, 30, and 42. We've only got 2 numbers. If we got 2 numbers, that's like if we have 4 numbers, but we got to bring those other 2. Okay, and if we're going to bring those other 2, we need to know how much is a dime worth, how much is a nickel worth. Remember, this is the last time I'm going to write you this little thing here. There's quarters, dimes, nickel, and penny. Quarters worth 25, dimes worth 10, nickels worth 5, pennies worth 1. But when you turn these into cents, it's 0.25, 0.10, 0.05, 0.01. And these zeros right here, like I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. All right, X, Y, X, Y. Which one of these is my simple total? Which one of these is just the, I don't care if it's a nickel or dime, how many you got, it's the 42. Put a plus, we're done. Simple. Handled. Finished. This last one, X, Y equals 330. Okay, here, 330, we know. 330 is not being simple. 330 is, I know the totals. So 330, I got to incorporate my worth. Now, dime is X. So my X gets a 0.10. Okay. Nickels is Y. I'm begging you. 0.05. Please. Please. 0.0. Please put the 0, guys. Please put the 0. Because if you put the 0, easy. Easy question. Moving on. Next, typing it in. And I'm going to try to type in the correct question this time instead of the wrong one. 0.05y equals 330. Enter. X plus y equals 42. There it is. Click 2418. Okay, 2418. Easy. How many coins of each are there? Well, there's 24 dimes. And there's 18 nickels. All right, we just did 5. Powered through all 5 questions. Great. Next. Flip it. Oh my God. They're going to hit me with 5 more. We can do this. How long have we been recording for? Does it tell me? Stop recording.